Hello again, this is Oliver and welcome back to yet another short video where I explain different analysis techniques for Sudoku. If you like my videos, be sure and give me the thumbs up, and you might think of subscribing as well, be greatly appreciated. A buried triple is where there are three squares or cells in the same row, column or house that contain the same three possibles, and the possibles occur nowhere else in that same row, column or box. Now I'm going to show you two examples of that, and this is the first one here. This example came from littlegogs.com, and the triple is, it's here, 3, 4, 8. So the 3 occurs in these three cells, the 4 occurs just here and here, and the 8 occurs here and here and nowhere else. And that means 3, 4 and 8 can only occur in these three cells, D8, D9 and F9, and anything else that is in those cells we can get rid of. So D8 we can get rid of the 1, the 2 and the 6. We can get rid of the 6 here, and D9 we can get rid of the 9. Now that's it. Very, very simple. So let's have a look at another example. Now this is from another website. This is from the Hoduku website, and by the way, there will be links for these references down below in the description. Now this one is different. The last one we're looking at was in a house. This one is in a column, and if we look at, let's see, column 6 here, and if you look at cells D, F and H, all right, and D, F and H. So number 2 occurs in each one of those three and nowhere else. 5 occurs there in 2 of the cells, and 6 occurs in the 3 cells. So the possibles 2, 5 and 6 occur there and nowhere else, so we can get rid of everything else that's in those cells. So this cell we can get rid of 1, 4, 7, 8. In F we can get rid of 1, 4 and 8, and in H we just have 2, 6. We can get rid of 1, 3, 4 and 8. Right, that's it from me now for another day. I hope you liked this little short video. If you did like it, could you give me the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel? That'd be great as well. All right, Slán Tamil. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.